Beautiful day today. Good day to get out here and work on the Red Demon. I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out this video. Some of you guys follow me on Instagram, see me post this little overflow tank a couple weeks ago. That's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to mount it back up permanently. I done made up the brackets. Did all that off camera, guys, because something like that is very time consuming. And it was really time consuming trying to figure out how I was going to mount this thing. The 15 inch is 2 inches by 15 inch. If I'd got the 13 inch, I believe I could have made it work better. On this side of here, the 15 inch was hitting the bottom radiator hose. That hurt me on this side. I thought about mounting it behind this headlight right here. If I had a 13 inch, I know I could have got it work perfectly over here, but it was hitting the pipe down there that goes up to the throttle body. So I couldn't mount it there. That would have been a cool spot though to have it. So I ended up going on the fan. Now I'm going to mount it over here on this side. Up underneath this radiator hose, it's going to be in slight of an angle. Didn't have much of a choice, but I'm going to mount it to the fan itself. As you see right here, this is where I got the wiring harness mounted up. Comes out, I got a clamp that holds it up here, and it comes over and holds it up here, and then it plugs in right there. These fans already have these castings right here. As you see, they're solid. That one's solid. And that one there's solid. This one I actually drilled the hole in and just run a machine screw in or a self-tapping screw in there, and it cut the thread for me. So we're going to use these two over here on the passenger side to hold this little guy up on the car. It's going to be in slight of an angle. I know it's not going to be up and down like it should be, but at least we'll have something on the car. Right now the car don't have anything on it. So I got it here the other week, made the brackets. Right here goes one. It's just regular 1 inch by 1 inch, 1/8 aluminum. Just don't mind the paint. Ain't it pretty? Yeah. It's just regular aluminum, easy to cut. I just used a hacksaw to cut everything. Right here goes the other two brackets. There's one. There goes another one. And right here goes one. And right here goes a spacer. So that's what I'm going to do today. Get this thing mounted on the car. Get it on the car permanently. And see how it looks. I think it's going to look pretty good. So I'm glad you guys stopped by, checked out the video. Let's get this thing installed. Oh yeah, I also got silicone hose. I bought 2 rolls of this stuff when I did the boost controller, when we upped the size and all. So I had an extra roll. eBay cheap. I got 10 foot of it. So already got the hose. We'll have it nice and hidden in the core support. Everything's going to turn out to look really good, I believe, when we get done with it. So stick around and you guys see how it looks. Alright, little update. Got the brackets on, as you see. That's one coming up to here. And then we got one coming across, mounted right here on the fan. And then this one right here just goes on there for just extra support. One up the side, and then it comes over, ties in it right here. And then of course, that's the one that we had to start with, holding it to the radiator. And right there is where the spacer went for this side. So it's on there nice and tight. It ain't gonna go nowhere, I don't believe. So now I need to get the fan and the tank in the car so I can start routing my hose and see how I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna get on that and I'll update you guys once I get this thing back in the car. All right, got everything buttoned up, put back on the car. spin around here and show you guys what the finished product looks like. And of course, right here's where our hose comes out. I got it going down over through the core support like I did my wires for my relay over there. Right here goes the tank. It's mounted there nice and solid. It's not going anywhere. Got plenty of clearance. Like I said, you can see it's in an angle, but I didn't have much choice but to run it that way. And underneath the car, everything's all hooked up. Let me grab this light. Put the light under the car here. Slide underneath the car. I don't have it up on jack stand, so this is going to be fun. Alright, right here's the tank right there. Right here's the hose for the overflow to run out. Right here's where it comes out, goes into the core support, goes over, comes back up. All I need to do now is just add some coolant. I know it's not the ideal way to have it mounted, but something, like I said, is better than nothing. And you see down in there, it'll fill up till it gets to this tube here, and then it'll run out that one onto the ground. So yeah, that's done. Mounted up. I think it turned out pretty good. Looks different for sure, but it'll work. And it actually cleared the AC line too, believe it or not, right there at that, where it makes that bend and goes in. So he had got lucky on that one also. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I know this is kind of a simple video, short and sweet, if you will. But yeah, had to get that mounted up, needed one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. Tell me what you think about it. If it's a good idea, bad idea. And yeah, keep an eye out for the next video. And I'll see you then.